and it came out very clearly that uncorrected refractive error and cataract are the two most important causes of vision impairment, and cataract and uncorrected refractive error are the two major causes of even blindness. At a very base of the pyramid, which is community care, we cater to the population of 5,000, and here we perform primarily the improving awareness about eye health, school screening and community screening, and if required, spectacle distribution. At the next level, which serves a population of 50,000, we call as a vision center. A 2-year trained vision technician is able to perform refraction and dispense glasses. In addition, the vision technician is able to perform a comprehensive eye examination and refer patients to higher center depending upon the need. 10 such vision centers are linked to a service center or a secondary center which caters to the population of 500,000, and here an ophthalmology-led team is able to provide comprehensive eye care, including performing cataract surgeries, medical management of glaucoma and diabetic retinopathy, and also primary treatment of infections. The center also takes care of community-based low vision and rehabilitation services and monitors the activity of vision center working under them. One such secondary center with 10 vision center and close to about 50 to 100 vision guardian is what we labeled as a village vision complex. I'll just like to present to you this small video. I hope they are able to play the audio.
ఎస్ సుభాష్ వెల్మల్ గ్రామ నివాసి, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ నిజామాబాద్. మా బాబు కంట్లో చిన్న వైట్ వచ్చేసింది. వైట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత LVPEI ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ హాస్పిటల్ మన నందిపేటలో ఫోన్ నెంబర్ తీసుకొని మేడంతో కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యా. మేడం అప్పుడు ఏం చేసింది, వెంటనే తొందరగా మీ బాబు ఐస్లో ఏముందో నాకు ఒక వాట్సాప్లో ఫోటో పెట్టాలని చెప్పింది. పెట్టేసిన తర్వాత మేడం అక్కడ చూసి డైరెక్ట్ మీరు ముదోల్కి వెళ్ళండి, ముదోల్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత అక్కడ చెప్తారు డాక్టర్స్ అన్నారు.
నందిపేట విజన్ సెంటర్ నుంచి ఒక 5 కిలోమీటర్ల దూరంలో చిన్న గ్రామం ఉంటుంది వెల్మల్ అని. అయితే ఆ బాబు బోత్ ఐస్ కంజనైటల్ క్యాటరాక్ట్ ఉండేది. మన విజన్ టెక్నీషియన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ చేసి ఆవిడ ఇమీడియట్గా రెఫర్ చేసింది ఆ అబ్బాయిని ముదోల్ సెంటర్కి. సో ముదోల్ సర్వీస్ సెంటర్ నుంచి ఆ అబ్బాయిని కార్ క్యాంపస్కి రెఫర్ చేయడం జరిగింది. బోత్ ఐస్ ఆపరేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు ఆ పిల్లడు తన పనులన్నీ తాను చేసుకోవడము, ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడం, పేరెంట్స్ని గుర్తించడము, మిగతావి అన్ని డైలీ యాక్టివిటీస్ అన్ని చేసుకోవడంలో ఎటువంటి సహాయం లేకుండా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు.
So one was suffering from congenital cataract, that is the cataract by birth, which is a very rare disease in children. And today he is enjoying very good vision in both eyes. Most of the children, once they are referred here, they may not be able to travel to Hyderabad or other advanced tertiary eye care centers, for which we have made facility to see them in the secondary center as well. Now the patients, the Manu's follow-up can be done at secondary center, that is Muthu. Manu is one of the examples where we could link between the primary and the tertiary level eye care.
Back is how to read the
I think in strengthening this link between community and healthcare services, what is most important is that we should continue to explore technology. And there are many ways in which technology can help us provide care to those who are not able to access care. I'll give you just a brief example, or few examples of how technology, we can leverage the strength of technology in providing access to care. In our vision center, when we started using electronic health record. We also provided our vision technician with a kind of an iPad, and through that tab they were able to even click pictures and upload it on electronic health record. A telecommand center, the clinician or ophthalmologist was able to see pathology and was able to guide patients as to whether they need to be referred up or can primary treatment be offered. We did a small pilot on looking at the outcome of corneal abrasions, which is one of the leading causes of corneal infections. We looked at what happens if we provide care at a vision center by evaluation through teleconsult. And we found that the outcomes are no different when they were treated at vision center compared to when they needed to go to secondary centers. There are many similar ways in which we can use technology for providing access. The Connect Care was another software that was developed by our team. It's a kind of a video conference and teleconference portal by which patients from anywhere in India can connect to our clinician. This was developed during COVID, and today we are using that in order to provide the first level of advice to patients who want to connect to our team. One of our colleagues, Dr. Tapas Ranjan Padi from our Odisha center, used technology for retinopathy of prematurity. It is such a difficult task for a doctor to move from one neonatal care unit to another and have to screen these babies who are born premature. But using a simple Zoom platform, he was not only able to guide the technician in appropriate evaluation of the retina or imaging of the retina, but was able to guide parents also as far as whether they need to come for further intervention or the child is not having retinopathy of prematurity. More recently, we have also started embarking on going to the homes of our patients, performing complete examination, and then that information is uploaded on electronic health record. And through Connect Care or Zoom, we are getting back to patients and providing them the consultation as far as the disease is concerned. But one of the challenges with this kind of an approach was, how do you take such bulky equipments to home? How you move your eye clinic to the homes of these people? And here our team started working on developing technologies which are portable and in some way created a mobile eye clinic which they can carry on the two-wheeler and take home those equipment which allow them not only to perform ocular examination but also to perform visual fields, take images from the retina, and through that comprehensive eye examination they are able to connect patients who are otherwise not able to come to institute and provide them care. More recently, in collaboration with Infosys Foundation, we developed an app which will allow people to record visual acuity and also fill up some questionnaire which will guide the person as to whether they are at risk of developing any eye problem and should be consulting an ophthalmologist. Now let me just briefly give you about other functional arms. I know I am taking more time and Pushpa is looking angrily at me, but I'll just briefly cover the other functional arms. We are not just a hospital. We have 10 functional arms which comprise of eye banks, vision rehabilitation, education, capacity building, rural and community eye health, research, advocacy, policy planning, product development and technology innovation. On the rehabilitation side, we not only provide the skills of daily living, we also provide the skills of livelihood so that these people who are suffering with incurable blindness can live the life with dignity. Last year, we provided such services to close to about 17,000 people. We train all cadre of eye care personnel, right from front desk people to eye bank technician, ophthalmic nursing assistants, optometrist, and ophthalmologist in advanced surgical techniques. Last year, this December, we celebrated our 10th Education Day, and close to 223 graduates passed out of our system. I'm not sure why this is. On the eye bank front, our eye bank is collecting now close to about 12,000 corneas and is one of the largest eye bank in the whole of the Asia Pacific region. 7,000 plus corneas are distributed for transplantation, and 60% of these are distributed to corneal surgeons outside of our network. We are also helping setting up of eye banks in other parts of state. We have already helped AIMS Rishikesh, the Regional Institute of Ophthalmology Guwahati, and BHU Varanasi in setting up eye bank, and we currently are going to be also setting up 2 more eye banks, and the work is ongoing. We have well-equipped research laboratories where our basic scientists are working to find solutions to some of the problems that are relevant to us. More recently, our group also able to 3D print cornea, and this corneal tissue is under animal trials. We started electronic health record almost about 14 years earlier, and close to 1 million patients have been seen, 10 million patients have been seen on the electronic health record. I don't know what is the problem. Some of the technologies that our group has developed and have entered the market are, you will hear more from Ramesh, but these are illuminated microcatheter for glaucoma, Connect Care teleconsultation portal, and a Cerebro, which is a self-check-in kiosk that is already available in the market. And there are several IPs that are soon going to be we will be taking to market. BioNest, some of the people who were there yesterday have already seen the BioNest, and it is open to all the All India Ophthalmic Society members as well as other startups to take their ideas, and we will be very happy to partner with them. These are some of the startups that are currently working in our Technology Innovation Center. The last thing that I'll talk to, about 6 years earlier, the government of Liberia came to us to help them set up an eye care delivery system in that country. And I'm happy to announce that through the program that we started in their major or the capital city, in their main hospital, 2 batches of ophthalmologists have graduated, and we are in the planning of setting up a secondary centers in that country. And hopefully in 5 years, we will make sure that the country, nobody goes blind from vision, from lack of availability of healthcare. Last year, we saw close to about 2 million outpatients and performed close to about 200,000 surgeries, and half of these care, both in outpatient and surgeries, were provided at no cost to patients. We had a good representation of females being represented in the patient population, elderly as well as children, the 2 vulnerable areas that we want to address. Overall, in last 37 years, we have been able to serve close to about 37 million outpatients. In our endeavor, we have achieved several laurels, the Greenberg's Prize, the 8th ranking, global ranking as far as our publication, social impact, as well as innovation, as ranked by Shimago Ranking Group. 3 Padma Shri awardees, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar to 4 of our colleagues, and more recently, Dr. Javed Ali was bestowed upon with J.C. Bose Fellowship. Several of our colleagues are in the top 2% research publication impact list published by the Stanford Group. All of this journey was made possible because of the vision of our founding chairman, a committed team, and lot of philanthropists who have come to us and so helping us with their time, talent, and treasure. In all these 37 years, we have made sure that we continue to abide by our values and continue this journey so that no one is needlessly blind. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Dr. Prashad. I just talked louder for you to hear me, so we should that. I just wanted to
I'm only going to look at LVPEI with